Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get your Amazon affiliate link. Firstly, log into your Amazon Associates account and from the homepage, navigate to Product Linking, then Product Links. Use the search bar to find the product you want to promote by keyword, or if you know the ASIN, paste it directly for faster results. Now once you find the product, click Get Link and choose your link format, text and image, text only or image only. Now copy the generated affiliate link and paste it into your website, blog, YouTube description, email or social media. Just remember you only earn commissions if customers click your unique affiliate link and complete a purchase. Always disclose that your links are affiliate links to stay compliant with Amazon's policies. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe for our channel for more tips and tricks like this.